What's up, Albury Gang? We are back with another lit video. So today, you guys are about to witness the first time. I mean, might not be a big deal to you guys, but it's actually definitely a big deal to us. So you guys are about to witness for the first time ever that all of us are about to get in our brand new car, our brand new family car.
Hi guys, do you want to see my fit?
Alright.
Don't mind my belly.
Her belly out. She about to get a whooping. Look at her back. Look at her back. Look at her little back. Turn around. Turn around. You see her little stank back out? You see her little stank back out? You finna get a whooping. But anyway, guys, yes, you're about to witness our first time ever. Hold on, Kaiden. You're about to witness our first time ever as a family of all of us getting inside of our family car together. Might not be a big deal to you guys, but it's actually a real big deal to us, okay? So, you guys don't know, like when we had the Pathfinder, it had third row seats, but not like this. Like, this is crazy. This is a lot of space for us. And then I also feel like it's going to be enough space when the twins get here as well. So, guys, thank you for watching. Let's go. We about to jump inside of the vehicle. So what the heck? What y'all doing? What y'all doing? J-Lo. Hold on, J-Lo, what's going on? Let me check out. Can I check out your drip? Because I heard you had on champion from head to toe. Let me check out your drip. Can I look at your outfit? Let me see. That's your first time wearing these shoes. Let me see. Early Christmas gift? Early Christmas gift or something? So that's not an early, it's not actually an early Christmas gift. It's just, oh, I see what you're telling me on. You need to put on a belt. Alright, y'all, so y'all see my fiance over there? Let me show y'all what she's been doing these past couple days. So, yeah, I'm about to show her what she's been doing this past couple days. So look at this system right here. This is what she's been doing these past couple days. Move, Katie. So look at this system right here. She got a whole new system put inside of the house. Look. Let me open the door. Look at this. A whole new, look at this. Say front door when you come out the door. Look at this. Ring the doorbell, Katie. Pressure. Look at this. Look. Somebody's at the front doorbell. Look. And then it shows you who's there. Look at this. Look at the kids. And then I can send a response to them. I can say, no one can come to the door. And it actually said it over there. So look at him dancing. No one can come to the door. Press this right here. Hey, get away from my door. You trying to steal my Amazon boxes? Which one of y'all trying to steal my Amazon boxes? Huh? Alright. So, and this thing also plays music. You can go on YouTube, you can go on Netflix, all types of stuff. So this is actually a tablet that does a whole bunch of stuff. But it also shows you, like I can go on my phone and I can look inside of the living room to see what these kids are doing.
Hey Google, play YouTube.
Got it. Playing recommended YouTube videos.
Look at this. Now look at this. Okay guys, so I wanted to show y'all this. Look at this. If I click on this right here, look, I am able to see. Hold on, watch out. So I think this is cool because oh, the camera's turned off. Go turn the camera back on. Okay guys, so here we go. Look, so I can see exactly what's going on inside of the living room when we're out, when we're home. It doesn't matter. I'm trying to zoom in, but I'm having some issues right now trying to do the camera in this. But yeah, as you can see, I can see everything that's going on in the living room. And then like if when the kids are outside on the trampoline and they want to play, then we have a backyard camera as well. We just click on the backyard camera and tell us the battery life of it. We click live, and then look at this here. And look, we can see exactly everything that's going on in the backyard. The kids are on the trampoline.
Daddy?
Hold on, come on. So I had to use two hands to zoom in, but if the kids are on the trampoline, we can zoom in over there to see exactly what's going on that beat up trampoline that we got at your game. So we can see everything in this backyard. Is what it looks like. So I think that's pretty cool. So we can keep our eyes on the kids. Come on, how you feel about the new system?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
That means we can see everything that y'all do. Anytime y'all doing something.
In his room.
That man need the camera in his room?
It'd be crazy in here.
It'd be crazy in his room? What the heck? I thought he just be playing Roblox.
No.
He be doing some Naruto stuff in there?
Kaiden, he be fighting.
He be fighting and be flipping on his bed?
And not listening.
Not listening? Alright, we gonna get Kaiden a spanking. All right, guys. So look, this is what Jamaria been doing for the last past 340 days. This right here. That's all she do is be on the phone the whole entire time. That's all she do all day, every day. She don't do nothing different with this 14-year-old teenage stuff.
Look at the camera.
Look at this. Look. No way. Why y'all always on the phone? That's all y'all do is be on the phone. Look at this one.
Oh my God, I'm so dark.
You black.
Oh my God, I'm so dark. That's all y'all do. You and your friends. And all Ky'arra do is be on Disney Plus every day, all day.
What are you doing?
Look at this. Look at it. Look at it.
Nikki, show yourself again. Nikki.
Yep, you gonna see yourself right on YouTube now. All right, guys, here we are hopping in the car together as a family for the first time. Let's see. Come on, Jayvo. Let's go on the other side, Jayvo.
Yeah, the other side.
Ky'arra gonna help you get in. Go on the other side, Jayvo.
Can y'all stop without
Go. Come on. Follow daddy. Follow daddy. Come on, follow daddy. Let's get in the car as a family for the first time. Come on this side. There we go. Ky'arra, put him back there.
How do I pull this?
You lift the seat up on the side, just like you feel like you have. Lift the seat up, girl. You know how to lift the seat up. All right, guys, here we are. Ky'arra, if you having a hard time, I just told you how to do it, Ky'arra. Can you lift it up? Lift up, pull up. It is gonna drop the seats down. There we go.
I already did that last time.
Now, if you pull that strap, the whole seat will come up. But you need to do that. All right, gang. So here we are. Don't smack him. Put him inside of that. Then strap the seatbelt around him.
Hey, you doing all the car not crawling and it's hot.
Oh, why you didn't crash out the car there? I can't even see
You
you.
supposed to do that.
You know, I can't even see you.
Come on, why you sitting right there? She do got a point.
Cause she waiting on Ky'arra. All right, so. Kaiden, where you at, Kaiden?
In the back.
Kaiden, where you at? I see Jayvo.
He too short.
What's up, Albury Gang? All right, so we are lit. Come on, why your seatbelt not on?
Put that
Sit
seatbelt on.
back.
Spank.
You don't have it on properly. Put it on correctly.
Put that seatbelt on before you get that spank.
Come on. Okay, well, you need to leave it right there so it can charge. There you go. Look at this one. Jamaria. So, yes, you guys, we are off. I hope we get some food after this, because that's all I'm...
I knew it. I knew y'all was going to say something like that.
That's all I really want. It's some food out there.
Amelia can take a ride in
No,
here.
because...
And then, like, Amelia can take a ride
because
in here.
what happened was, you can see Chloe, we need to...
No, we can see clear. Look at my face. Albury Gang. I'm like this and
your face is small.
So fat.
So small.
It's so fat. Look
small.
like I still roll. Look
So
at that.
But what I was finna say is, no, Jamaria, because Jamaria and your friends,
Look at my face.
your friends counting on you.
Your face not fat.
No, because they no. One person, her
Wait, why is
dad
going that?
Your finger
made
is covering
plans
the
at
whole
the
part.
at the last minute, and then the other one she said it was too late.
Jamaria friends canceled on her.
No,
They was gonna go to the movies,
No, they
which would have been a lot cheaper than going to get something to eat. Now you want to go out to eat?
They didn't cancel. It was their parents.
They canceled. I'm with you, babe. They canceled.
Yeah, they canceled.
They was planning on not coming from the jump.
So why we can't just go? What y'all don't want to go like you know maybe like a little fish sandwich, you know, little chicken tenders for little 40-piece chicken, 2 large fries for a little $15. I've been spending a lot of money.
Listen,
Y'all want to go out to eat? That's what it's $160.
That's not 160. You gotta stop it.
How much it is to go out to eat? Everybody get mozzarella sticks.
I'm not absolutely not. I do not eat them.
Nobody talking to you.
You eat mozzarella sticks.
But we finna be off right now to have a little fun.
You do.
Damn, I don't know. I gotta think about it. I gotta see what's up. Cause I don't
I'll be
know.
again. I'm gonna get what I want. I'm telling y'all. Get what I want.
Alright, so we driving this big school bus. We got all the kids inside of here. Driving this big, huge school
Babe,
bus.
it's bright.
Turn it down. You're not turning out the bottom.
Oh, there you go.
I left it. My bad. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you feel me? That's
Not
how, you
this
know,
one?
the big school bus. Babe,
Can I get
that's how you gotta drive it.
lip gloss?
Why, babe, tell the kids to stop wearing lip gloss.
No.
Y'all need to wear lip gloss.
Yeah. Lips be chapped.
This car is so like spacious and comfortable.
It is. Spacious,
I want to take a
comfortable.
nap.
It feel like we floating right now.
Yeah.
All right, Albury Gang, we'll be back once we get to our destination, right?
Yeah. How was y'all ride, Kamora?
Good.
Y'all ride was good?
Yep.
What they over here doing? Nothing, laughing and playing.
Daddy, here's the echo.
What echo?
This. Echo. Echo.
Come on, let's go.
Tomorrow need to leave that
Echo.
Why y'all
Daddy, here's that.
So we can watch them? Katie, come here. You don't want to watch after y'all bad. So they still bringing them. All right. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Let's go. We ain't watching after no bads, though.
I have stuff for later. But if
That's
I
for
go
later, though.
crazy.
Not for right now. That's not for right now.
Relax. Come on, I'm gonna hear that.
All right, gang. So we're in the inside. Yep. Little more. You finna put your socks on? Look at her. Why you all up close up on that on me? She needs some room to put her put her socks on. You saw that Jamaria come on all the way over there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's her daughter.
Oh, my fault. I ain't know. I thought it was my daughter. I guess it's my fault. Katie, you got it? You need some help?
Oh no, we don't show the toes for free, Daddy.
You need some help? Oh, the toes about to bust out of there? Oh, you had your toes, boy?
No.
Toes about to bust out of there, boy.
Daddy.
Oh, no, boy. Oh, my God. Boy, what you been doing, boy? Playing kickball? Why you been playing kickball, boy? Where you going, Kamora? What you finna do, Kamora? What you finna do? Uh-oh. Oh, she gone. Bye, Kamora. See you later. Oh, there you go. I didn't know where you went. Come on. They gone. They left you. Come on. All right, gang. I got the kids' game cards. I'm about to play all these games. took one of the kids' cards, and we're about to play story mode. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and hit mission 1. All right, gang. Don't tell on me. All right, I'm playing with the kids' cards. Don't tell on me. How do I skip? I don't even tell. I'm trying to skip. Pressure. Reload to skip. All right. Here we go, gang. Let's go. All right, gang. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, man. I almost killed my own player. Almost killed my health. Oh, reload. Alright, man, you gotta light him up. You gotta light him up. You gotta light him up. Oh, nah, my man, my partner down, man. Alright, let's go, let's go. Alright. Yeah, let's beat him up. Oh my God. Man, I'm getting tore up, man. Light him up, light him up. Back up, back up. Oh, yeah, all right, y'all. We got to come on over here. Good job, come on. Light him up, come on. Light him up, come on. Don't let it hit us, come on. Oh, that's big, come on. We got to hit it with a grenade, come on. Reload, fresh that. Gotta reload it, come on. Kaiden, you gotta jump over it. Yeah, what's up? Did she just jump? Did she jump when you jumped?
Yeah.
What's going on? Huh? Okay, you have a different time thinking I'm shoes. Alright, Kaiden, take your shoes and put them inside the closet. Whoa! Whoa! Well, alright, gang. So we made it back to the house. We actually went out and got something to eat, some like CC's pizza. But, you know, we didn't want to record that. So, guys, we finally made it back home. Thank you guys for watching. You heard as the kids said, and the car is very spacious. Let me tell you, the car is very spacious. Everybody has room. Everybody put their seatbelts on with no problem, no issues at all. Hey, can y'all put y'all hands down? Can y'all put y'all hands down? So guys, so you know, we love the car, guys. But anyway, this is the end of this little video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications, share this video, comment down below. Until next time.